it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today I am unboxing my May Forever Fresh from Facetory and reviewing April. For those of you who are new to my channel and don't know what Facetory is, it is a Korean sheet mask subscription service. You can get 4 or 7 masks sent to you every month, and they do have an option, I think, that is customizable by skin type, as well as a luxe box like Boutique does now. They have one of those, and they do give me a referral link like you get for most subscription services, where I get points and you get a couple free masks. So I will have that link down below if you're interested, or if you don't want to click that referral link, you can just Google Facetory. It'll pop right up. And I also will have a little more information about Facetory in the description box, so if you're curious, check the box. As well as any mask I review and recommend, I will link down below, because individual masks can be bought on Facetory. So if you're interested in any of the ones I give a glowing review, go ahead and check the box. Alright, let's start with May's unbagging. I always say unboxing, but it's a bag. Okay, first of all, I got a gift card for wine. That's weird. If anybody wants this, go ahead and screenshot this. I'm not going to use this, so go for it. I haven't been looking at any spoilers, so I don't know what May's theme is. It says, "You are terrific," and it's another postcard. And on the card with all the mask information, it does have instructions on how to mask. And it says, "This month we're focusing on smoothing and toning the skin. This box is filled with soothing sheet masks that will support your skin while prepping it for the perfect makeup look. Feel refreshed and look flawless while you go out for brunch and sip tea with friends." Alright, those sound really nice, so let's get started. The first mask is the Facetory Soothe Me Tea Tree. It retails for $5 and has Nelumbo nucifera lotus flower extract, which is moisturizing and soothing and calming and heals and prevents blemishes, and tea tree, which minimizes redness, prevents and relieves acne, and balances oils without stripping skin of natural moisture. So I just did a quick skim of the ingredients. I always go back and double check later, but I don't like to sit here forever while my camera is rolling reading the ingredients. It seems to have no ingredients, so I'm excited about that because it sounds amazing for that time of the month when I'm getting breakouts. I know I'm always saying that, but like, that is the time I get breakouts, so I'm always gonna say that. And it is a multi-step mask, so it has a soothing ampule and then the mask. Next we have the Apu chocolate milk. It has Theobroma cacao cocoa extract, and it is an exfoliating ingredient that will reveal a soft and even complexion. Oh, I forgot to say it retails for $2.50. And milk extract, which is a hydrating ingredient that will leave your skin feeling soft and supple. This mask has one of the shortest ingredients lists on a mask I have ever seen, and I do like milk masks, and usually the chocolate ones are chocolate scented, so I'm really excited about this. Oh, and side note, in case you guys were wondering, a couple people suggested that I email Facetory and ask about restricting certain ingredients from getting sent to me. They can't do that at this time, they said, so unfortunately I just get what I get. The third mask is the Look at Me Cucumber Essence Mask. It retails for $3 and has cucumber fruit extract, which is cooling and calming and will minimize irritations and inflammation while hydrating, and mushroom extract, which will help calm and heal your skin concerns. You guys, this may be one of my favorite bags so far because I'm on the third mask and it still looks good. It still looks like I can use it. And cucumber is like so refreshing. I'm really excited about this one too. Finally, we have the Equiporti Dual Balancing Moisturizing Mask. I hope I said that right. Lotus Dandelion. It retails for $2.50 and has lotus flower extract, which cleanses and purifies skin while adding antioxidant protection and moisture. And dandelion leaf extract, which smooths and detoxifies and contains anti-aging properties to minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. I'm so happy! Every ingredients list seems good this month. I'm so happy. So I can use this one too. I can't wait to come back next month and tell you guys how all 4 of these worked for my sensitive and very picky skin because I can use all of them. Yay! Alright, enough of that excitement. Let's get into the April review. The first mask is the Facetory Let's Talk Vitality Firming Mask. It retails for $4 and has pomegranate extract, which is antioxidant rich and slows down aging, creating smooth and supple skin, and shea butter, which softens and gives a protective barrier to seal in moisture. So I had my roommate Kristen try this one. I don't have the packaging, so I'm not sure what ingredient it was. I should have just watched my video back. Duh. But there was an ingredient that I was like, no, I don't want to do that. So Kristen tried it and she said it was firming and it was cooling and there was no sticky residue. And she also commented that it was her favorite mask so far that she's tested for me, and she would definitely do it again. So that one is a recommend and will be down in the description box. Next we have the Helloganic 1-A-Day Water Mask. It retails for $3 and has coconut fruit extract, which will help moisturize your skin to lock in hydration, and cabbage rose flower water, which helps deliver antioxidants and soothe irritated skin. This mask had aloe vera as one of its top ingredients, so I decided to have Justin try it, and he said 5 minutes in he felt a burning sensation, and he would not recommend if you have a sensitivity to wheat or gluten, because he looked at the ingredients and apparently there is some in there, and he is sensitive in that way. He is sensitive to dairy and also wheat, and so anytime he's tried a mask like that, it has irritated him. So if you have those same sensitivities, I would avoid this mask. Next we have the 24 Miracle Vitamin Facial Mask with Whole Lemon Mask. It retails for $3 and has lemon fruit extract, which is skin brightening and will clear your skin and lighten dark spots and hyperpigmentation, and sodium hyaluronate, which is hydrating and reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. This is one I tried. It was the only one that was completely safe out of last month, and I really loved it. It smelled so citrusy and it was very brightening and very smoothing. It definitely did pretty much everything it claimed to do, and for $3 I would get this again. Finally, we have the Moksha Deer Avocado Mask. It retails for $3, has avocado fruit extract, which helps moisturize your skin and add a protective barrier, and mango fruit extract, which helps minimize inflammation and rejuvenate the skin. I thought this one might be a risk for me because of the avocado. I did react a while ago to a mask that had avocado oil, but I was like, it's just the extract, not the oil, so maybe it'll be better. But 10 minutes in, I did get very itchy. I got hives. If you recall, like a while ago, the breakouts I had, I developed immediate like hives on my chin that just erupted. It was nasty, and there was a lot of redness and irritation overall. So if you have noticed any sensitivity to avocado at all, stay away from this one. I'm so sorry guys that I'm so sensitive to so many things, but I think this still is helpful for other people because I'm not the only one who's sensitive. So out of 4 masks, I like one of them and Kristen likes one of them. So overall, I would say last month probably wasn't worth it because I couldn't even really use 3/4 of the bag, so that was kind of a disappointment. But I'm really excited about this month because I can try everything, and I love masking. Like, even when I'm not testing out masks for review, I'm doing masks. I really enjoy it. So I'm super excited that I can try everything, and look out for that video in about a month. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you have not already, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.